Don't worry. Have confidence. Now slow him down immediately.
Slow.
Shh. Good. Nice. Come. Okay. You got worried,
Little.
right? As a parent, I agree that. But right now, you are more of a master than a parent.
Yeah. Actually, वहाँ पे बच्चे होते तो
Yes,
it
that's what
would
Malu.
be-
There is social consequences which were worrying you. In that situation also, he doesn't know why you're worried. He doesn't know why you're worried. Thank you. जैसा अभी कहा रही,
हाँ.
मेरे को भी टेंशन हुआ लेकिन मैं दिखाया नहीं. रादर देन दिखाना, मैं जाके उसको पैम्पर करके फिजिकली साइड में हटा दिया. एंड आई स्टॉप पीपल रादर देन स्टॉपिंग माई डॉग.
Okay.
अगर वो टेंशन आई वुड ब्रिंग इन वर्ड्स, ही विल गेट पैनिक्ड कि क्या हो गया, सडन में एनर्जी चेंज हो गया.
Okay. Understood.
And he will start getting alert. Bhairav, now. Shh. Come. Good. He will start getting attentive. What happened? What changed in the surrounding that suddenly my parent and my master is suddenly so anxious? Worry. I have to take care of the situation.
Okay.
He is a German Shepherd. उसके DNA में is to fall in love with you, and German Shepherd's affection cannot be replicated by most of the breeds.
Okay.
There is hardly very few breeds who are as affectionate as German Shepherd towards their parents.
Okay.
And once you are in trouble, उसका DNA जागेगा ही जागेगा. And when you got scared over there, or you were worried कि वहाँ बच्चे हैं, क्या होगा? He doesn't know why you are feeling it, but he knows you are feeling it. And at that point, if he associate your fear with kids, he's gonna go and probably do something to the kids.
Oh, he might think that because of kids I am becoming anxious.
Yes.
Oh.
There's
okay.
a possibility that can happen.
Okay.
क्योंकि अभी तक सब नॉर्मल था. उसने सामने बच्चा देखा, बच्चा देखते कि आपका एनर्जी became scared, anxious, worried.
हाँ.
So what is his mindset? If this, then that. Classical conditioning. ये
Okay.
होने की वजह से ये होता है.
Okay.
बच्चे आने की वजह से मेरे पापा डरते हैं. What am I supposed to do? Protect my father. How? Remove बच्चा from the equation.
Will I get the complete video of this?
Yeah, it will be on YouTube.
I want to share it with
Yes.
other pet parents.
Please, thank you. No. See, what happened? I was gonna go pamper him, but he got excited. So I immediately killed the excitement by saying no, and then made sure my leash is on his leg so that once he jumps, he is not able to jump.
Okay.
Because one of our target is to stop jumping.
Yeah, stop jumping. Yep.
जब भी opportunity मिलता है सटली कर दो.
Okay.
So right now my attention is 100% on him. The bonus is on you.
Okay.
Okay. So every movement of his, जैसा वहाँ पे when he was walking and I was noticing कि कोई live thing है, that's the reason he is getting attention. My attention is always on him. So when you are with your dog, your attention has to be on your dog.
Okay.
But you should not project it in emotions.
Right.
आपका एनर्जी ऊपर नीचे हुआ, डॉग ऊपर नीचे हुआ. Always be calm, always be confident. You ready to go that path?
Yeah.
Only requirement is no change in your energy,
Okay.
irrespective of what is happening. If
Okay.
you think बच्चा आ गया, you don't want to take risk, I really respect that, but you are not gonna let it overpower you, your mind, your words and your decisions. You will start walking fast, go and put your leg on the leash. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
See, right now he is not trained for heel walking.
हाँ.
He is trained for freedom free walk,
Okay.
where his job is always pay attention on you. When you call you, he comes. Once he learns heel walking, there is high probability कि ये situations आपको याद भी नहीं रहेंगे.
Okay.
बच्चे रहने दो, कुत्ते रहने दो, गायां रहने दो, anything in the city and surroundings is there. You won't be worried because he is not gonna leave your sight.
Okay.
Why are we starting from freedom walk and why we not starting from heel? Is freedom walk is teaching him दुनिया में कुछ भी इंटरेस्टिंग रहो, आई कॉल यू कम,
Uh-huh.
दैट इज स्ट्रॉन्गर रिकॉल, दैट इज स्ट्रॉन्गर ओबीडियंस. उसके बाद when you're doing heel walk, anything interesting he is not concerned because his primary job is your obedience,
Okay.
being obedient to you. अगर अपन पहले heel walk सिखा दिए, उसके बाद freedom walk सिखाए, तो
हाँ.
कुछ भी attentive दिखा, he won't come back because he know heel walking में he won't get the opportunity to spend time with that.
Okay. Okay.
Right now we are giving him the opportunity to spend time with that, and then when we are like बस हो गया, आ जाओ, he is coming.
Okay.
Heel walking में he is always stuck to you.
Okay.
बाजू ही चल रहा है, वहाँ attention के लिए चांस मिला, चला जाएगा, then might be there is a psychology. Okay, this is your opportunity again.
Bairu. Come. Good boy.
This. There was food. Might be motivating, might not be motivating, but definitely not something you as a parent want him to eat.
Yeah.
अगर heel walk पहले सिखा लिए, उसको पता चल जाएगा heel walk में I have to be beside, I am restricted.
हाँ.
ये freedom मेरे को मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा.
हाँ.
Might be a chance.
Right.
Perfect. Tap. Walk. Give him opportunity. Wait.
Good boy. He's
You
never
got
come
concerned
this
again.
far.
You got concerned again. We have to beg boundaries. Say no.
Yeah.
Say
No.
Keep walking. Never stop.
Never stop.
Because you are the leader and you want to keep walking. No. It's okay, Andy. Shh. It's okay. No problem. Thank you. Shh. Chalo. If you project confidence, human also feel confident. This is your opportunity. You stopped again. What's your objective? We are gonna walk till the Nariyal.
Okay.
That's your objective,
Yeah.
right? To give you more confidence, I'll take care of the street dogs. You take care of Bhairav.
Bairu. Come. Good boy. Good boy.
Again, you got worried. It's okay, learning curve, but this real life scenarios are gonna help you a lot.
Never came this far.
It's okay. Bhairav. Okay, I have to ask. What would he do if he were on leash before this training session? If ऐसा street dogs रहे तो?
He would stand still and then stare at the dogs. But yeah, I would pull him away.
You would pull him away. He wouldn't
Yeah.
pull.
He wouldn't pull.
Would he be stubborn, not moving from there?
Not stubborn exactly, but once I do a little pull, he would
Come
again
with
come
you.
with me.
But he never charged towards them, right?
No, no.
So this is a new milestone achieved.
Yeah, definitely.
Crossing the path where he never went.
It's
He's so
definitely-
happy, you know. He's so happy that he is able to get everything for free. But he's earning it also. I think it's worth it.
Wow. I never could have thought of getting him.
In mid of so many dogs and everything so far.
Yeah, because I know there are a lot of dogs here.
Yes. And you got him leashless.
Yeah, that's that's next level.
Okay, just a reminder, your objective is to walk. Now you know where to walk till.
Uh-huh.
Definitely we didn't decide it, but let's say we decided we'll go till that car.
Yeah, let's go till the
Uh,
road and Chaurasta.
We'll go till the Chaurasta, right?
Yeah.
If anything happens, you as a leader, you're gonna keep walking,
Okay.
right? And it's his job to make sure he is following you.
Okay.
If every time he is getting distracted and you stop, who is following? You are following, he is leading.
Yeah.
That is not our objective.
Right.
And yesterday and today, what major difference I see as a behaviorist is his intention of being ahead of us is drastically reduced.
Yep.
He is always exploring but behind us, not ahead of us.
Yeah.
So definitely he is coming to the mindset of following.
Hmm.
This is your opportunity again. Now,
Bharu.
we give 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again.
Bharu. Come.
Wrong timing. He didn't give eye contact. Okay? They are getting anxious. Control. Now.
Come. Good boy.
Okay, I completely understand why you were worried. Probably he was looking something over there, I think.
Yeah.
But you lost timing. He didn't
Yeah.
give eye contact. So this eye contact thing is very important until he becomes perfect. उसके बाद आई कांटेक्ट का जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन अभी लर्निंग कर्व है. वी डोंट वांट हिम टू इग्नोर. अगेन.
Bharu.
Wait. Now.
Come. Good boy.
Tap. Because he is wandering off too much, so we are gonna stop it. Don't help. I'm pretty sure you would have gone to help him. See, you want to raise an independent dog, right? He needs to take care of small things like this. If it was a snake, I wouldn't stop you.